5 seconds to go. Start. All offences under the Indian Penal Code 45 of 1860 shall be investigated, inquired into, tried, and otherwise dealt with according to the provisions hereinafter contained. All offences under any other law shall be investigated, inquired into, tried, and otherwise dealt with according to the same provisions, but subject to any enactment for the time being in force regulating the manner or place of investigating, inquiring into, trying, or otherwise dealing with such offences. Nothing contained in this code shall, in the absence of a specific provision to the contrary, affect any special or local law for the time being in force, or any special jurisdiction or power conferred, or any special form of procedure prescribed by any other law for the time being in force. Whenever any court or any officer in charge of a police station considers that the production of any document or other thing is necessary or desirable for the purposes of any investigation, inquiry, trial, or other proceeding under this code by or before such court or officer, such court may issue a summons or such officer a written order to the person in whose possession or power such document or thing is believed to be, requiring him to attend and produce it, or to produce it at the time and place stated in the summons or order. Any person required under this section merely to produce a document or other thing shall be deemed to have complied with the requisition if he causes such document or thing to be produced instead of attending personally to produce the same. Any police officer making an investigation under this chapter may, by order in writing, require the attendance before himself of any person being within the limits of his own or any adjoining station who, from the information given or otherwise, appears to be acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case, and such person shall attend as so required, provided that no male person under the age of 15 years or above the age of 65 years, or a woman or a mentally or physically disabled person shall be required to attend at any place other than the place in which such male person or woman resides. The state government may, by rules made in this behalf, provide for the payment by the police officer of the reasonable expenses of every person attending under subsection 1 at any place other than his residence. The director shall, for the purposes of section 13, have the same powers as are vested in a civil court under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 while trying a suit in respect of the following matters, namely, enforcing the attendance of any person, including any officer of banking company or a financial institution or a company, and examining him on oath. The director, additional director, joint director, deputy director, or assistant director shall have power to summon any person whose attendance he considers necessary, whether to give evidence or to produce any records during the course of any investigation or proceeding under this Act. Stop.